Namaskar, my name is Veer Singh and today I'm going to make a few Thai cocktails in front of you and which are made of authentic Thai ingredients and which goes well with the food as well. The first drink I'll be making is Thai basil mojito and it's alcoholic based and all I will be using like basil leaves, lemon juice, sugar syrup and Bacardi. So first of all I'll be adding 3-4 lemon wedges, right? And then I'll put some basil leaves. These are the original Thai basil leaves and which has a strong aroma and flavor as well. So I'll be muddling both the ingredients into the glass. So I'll add a bit of soda. I'll be muddling all the ingredients into the glass so that the flavor comes out, right? That's it. I'll be adding 30 ml of lemon juice. And sugar syrup. Just 30 ml of sugar syrup as well. And the main ingredient, Bacardi. So 60 ml of Bacardi. And then I'll be filling it up with the ice cubes. And then put some soda and just stir it up so that everything mixed together properly. And since this is the twist to classic drink called virgin mojito or mojito, so instead of using crushed ice, I used ice cubes because that crushed ice dilutes the drink, and secondly, just to maintain the authenticity of the drink as well. So I'll be putting some cracked ice on top as well. And the garnish, I'll be using the basil sprig, so here we go with the basil mojito. I have named this cocktail Thai style old fashioned because old fashioned has been a classic cocktail. So I have given a twist to that cocktail and I named it, as I mentioned, that Thai style old fashioned. So I'll be making now the same. So what all I am going to use is Thai ginger, which is called galangal, and kaffir lime leaf. Of course, whiskey and orange juice. I'll be shaking all the ingredients together along with the honey, lemon juice, equal quantity of honey and lemon juice, and I'll pour onto ice as well. So I'll be using one leaf of kaffir lime leaf and just a chunk of galangal. This is Thai ginger, just a small piece of Thai ginger, and I'll be muddling. And a leaf of kaffir lime leaf, just a light press because the kaffir lime leaf is very delicate, and even if we muddle it hard, so this can spoil the taste of the drink as well. And honey, so as per quantity, it should be around 15 to 20 ml of honey. And I'll be adding 15 ml of lemon juice as well. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 45 ml of orange juice, just the 45 ml, and then the main ingredient 60 ml of blended whiskey, preferably the Scotch one. And then ice, and I'll give a hard shake so that everything mixed properly. Until you feel the shaker chilled, you are not able to hold it. Till then you have to shake it. Fill the glass with at least 4-5 ice cubes, and then we have to strain into the glass. Just this much, and then I'll garnish my drink with kaffir lime leaf. Here we go with the Thai old fashioned. So third drink I am going to make is a coconut and makrut martini. Since the abundance of coconut milk is high in Thailand, so I decided to do something with coconut milk as well, and I'll be using makrut leaf, base liquor, vodka, and some sweetener as well. First ingredient I will be using in my cocktail now is the makrut leaf, which is also called kaffir lime leaf. I'll give just a light muddle so just to extract the flavor of the makrut leaf. Now I'll add the coconut milk, 45 ml of coconut milk, and 15 to 20 ml of sugar syrup, and last but the main ingredient of the cocktail, vodka. So I am using Absolute vodka, and then ice, hot, and then I'll strain into a chilled glass. Make sure the glass should be well chilled, and I'll garnish my cocktail with kaffir lime leaf. So that's your coconut and makrut martini. So the fourth drink I'll be making is lemongrass daiquiri. I have given a twist to the classic cocktail called daiquiri. So all I'll be using obviously the Thai ingredients like kaffir lime and galangal, and I'll be using pineapple in this drink just to give a freshness. Okay, so the first ingredient I'll add is the galangal, which is called Thai ginger, and I'll muddle this a little just to extract the flavor, and then few chunks of lemongrass. Again I'll press it a little hard, and few pineapple chunks, which will give a bit freshness to the drink, and 15 to 20 ml of honey, (15 ml of lemon juice, and 45 ml of pineapple juice. And then the main ingredient, Bacardi, 60 ml of Bacardi. and then I'll pour into a ice chilled glass. For garnish, I'll be using the pineapple slice and lemongrass stick. Here we go with the lemongrass Thai curry.